Day 2 of skiing. Right. Day 2 of skiing, JT. Got started a little later today than normal. Last night was a bit rough with no sleep, and
you had 2 shots.
Yeah, I had 2 shots.
Wild night.
Yeah. I'm walking over to guest services to get my.
You're gonna meet up with Liliana.
Shut the fuck up. Get my pass and then get started. We're gonna take it easy today, I think. So yeah.
It's everyone's good area too. All right, that's good. You're welcome. Hey there.
How are you doing?
Good. Got questions about what's open or any groomed or anything? Remember, blue means groomed. You know, if you like groomed runs, green means open but not groomed, and unfortunately, red is
Closed.
So like the back bowl, if you wanted Copper Bowl or Tucker Mountain, they're closed today. But the front, pretty much everything's open. Just got to see what's groomed and not groomed.
Sweet.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. A lot of good stuff.
What do you want to do? Okay. That's cool.
American Flyer a little bit.
Cool. That works.
Yeah, Flyer's good. A lot of groomed stuff off there.
And the progression parks are open? The progression parks are open?
The park
On the small ones?
Small ones?
Like these?
Oh, the little ones, yeah. This is open right over here.
Cool.
Do you know how to get there?
Not really.
So if you go to the top, go around here to the top of this, we're right here. You know, Eagle.
Okay.
So here's this little park here, Easy Rider.
Yeah.
And to get over to here, there's a road that gets you over to.
Okay.
You can probably just ride down to it though, right? If you take American Eagle up.
Yeah, if you take Eagle up, you can ride down and cut over.
Okay.
See the road?
Yeah.
Just
And then how hard would it be to get back over this way? Do we have to go to the
right
Singer?
Back over. Even up from Super B, if you go here and cut to here, then you can still come all the way over where you can keep cutting over.
Okay. Yeah.
As
Cool.
much as you want.
Sweet.
That's
Awesome.
good.
Yeah.
You're gonna cut right back over to Flyer from over there.
Sweet. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Hi.
They cut across that way? Oh, you got speed. Is this one? Oh, it says whole Skid Row. Fucking hell, JT. Is it? These are bunny holes, no?
Go down and go back up.
I took a little break and we're gonna get to it. This one, I was about to say.
Trail of kids.
Ski school.
Man, it's so cute. That is so stinking cute. One trailing way behind. You got it!
We're hoping that the Spunk Rain Park is open.
Is it?
I I know. I said we're hoping that it's open.
Yeah.
Because if not, well,
Extra small, extra small.
extra small. We're not big shots yet. But yeah, so we'll see. We tried one earlier this morning and it was closed. So we just went on the bunny hole for a little bit. But yeah, so fingers crossed.
Yeah, we're getting out of the right side. We're going back. Yeah, back.
Oh, this is perfect.
Right on, right off. Right everywhere.
Look at that.
We came here. First step, right on, right off.
Well, easier said than done.
Or we'll send in, try to go for it.
You're crazy on that one. Yeah, kind of. No? Yeah, right there. Well, let's just go straight. Oh, you want to do this twice?
By the way, I'll never let these thoughts see the light of day. Please don't run away. Wherever you are, feeling out of place. Think I'd rather stay. I wanna stay for a while. I wanna move your way. No, the roof might cave in. All of these snakes in the wild. I'm about to lose my brain. Tell me who gon' save me. And if I place my bets on you tonight, don't let me down, I won't survive. You gave me a preview, and now I can never leave you. 777 broken wings, give me better luck. I need many things, rip the hell out of these bitches.
Switch on the side. Here we go. No, did not work. AirPods case in the chest does not feel good when you catch an edge. Oh. Whew. Back at 10 Mile Tavern. We were here yesterday. I think Zach's already here. Jimmy too. For real thing. But this thing's hot.
Yeah. Hot time. I don't know if this is even sippable yet.
Do we even need to like...
Yeah, it's sippable.
For some reason that tastes different than last
It's
time.
not.
It's hot tub time. Ugh. I think that's one. It's fucking cold. Where'd you put your stuff?
Over there, by the Nalgene.
Do you want Nalgene, Jimmy?
That one, yeah.
Do you want it? Oh. Well, I filled mine up. No. I filled mine up in the lobby. Bro, it's cold.
I don't know.
Hockey rink. Very neat. From dinner. We ate at Sawmill. It was pretty good. Had what? Yeah. We had hot drinks and they were super good. Compliment to the chef, for sure. I am freezing. I'm so cold, I'm shivering. Jimmy the handyman. That's on top. Huge.
We'll see if that works. It might not be sat in there right.
Let's hope it works, because if not, we are screwed.
Guess I didn't need to take it off. If we need to do it again, we can just hit it right there. Thanks, Zach.
Well done, Jim.
Time, never I cease, have it better like wine. Soul searching, found me online, no end of my reach, got a hand on the sky. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on?